Man, David Blaine's voice makes me sleepy.
That sure really does suit you, Alphonsus, because you like to snore and you like to relax.
It's Snore Jim.
Hey, Alphonsus, use rest. Get it? You Snorlax.
Snorlax shirt.
What?
Snore Jim. It's Snore Jim.
I bet when he's constipated, he takes snore laxatives.
Yeah, I bet like his friends and family probably think that he has like sleep apnea or something because he's like snoring all the time.
Dude, it's not cool.
It's kind of funny though. Right?
True.
Snorlax. Snorlax.
Dude, Snorlax.
It's the Snore Gym.
It's high noon.
Actually, can we do this some other time? I'm kind of tired.
Wait. Oh, sorry, I messed up.
What's that? You can do
I
it
should
again.
have my arm outstretched.
Okay.
Oh, wait. I'll catch it and then I'm gonna... Okay, so
It's confusing.
Like Alright, I get it.
Alright.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Sorry, start over. Wait, do I